Welcome aboard the beautiful Mucho Gusto. Mucho Gusto is a 45-foot 2017 Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 449 and is available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. Mucho Gusto is in excellent condition and has been professionally maintained. At the transom, there is a large fold-down swim platform that is an amazing lounge area and adds to the ease of access to the boat. Designed with performance in mind, the Sun Odyssey 449 boasts a long, graceful waterline and delivers an exceptional sailing experience that even the most competitive sailor will appreciate. There is a large cockpit with twin wheels designed to give excellent ease of movement around the cockpit. The cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing and has been designed and set up to be able to sail the boat single-handed. The main sheet and the jib sheet run back to the helms and are easily controlled by the Harken electric winches at each helm station. The large teak center table is easy to move around both open and closed, has a large storage area, and has an easy-to-reach handrail that adds to the security of the vessel. A easily viewed Raymarine chart plotter is mounted in a nav pod on the table between the helms. Maneuvering, anchoring, and docking are simplified and effortless with bow thruster, windlass controls, and a chain counter at the helm. Additionally, there are Raymarine instruments at both helms. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to an easily accessed and controlled Harken electric winch that is mounted on the cabin top. This vessel boasts an unobstructed commanding view from the cockpit. The side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit. The deck is wide and open and features flush hatches and is easy to move around. Moving forward, the clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the quick windlass, the handheld controller, and large anchor locker, which is all below the deck hatch. A high aspect mast with its in-mast furling provides a powerful and safe rig that is easy to operate. The companionway is wide and open with plexiglass hatch and doors, which contribute to the feeling of a unified space between the interior and exterior. Accessing below deck is safe and comfortable with the ease of entry on the gradual steps. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior in two-tone wood, while the sizable saloon is bathed in a natural light. The large saloon is comfortable and accommodating and has been designed to maximize the space with a large table that opens up, excellent storage, and a navigation station. The navigation station has a dedicated seat design and spacious desk, which lifts up to access even more storage. The large galley offers a double basin sink that has covers to increase countertop size and a glass backsplash. The 2-burner stove and oven is on a gimbal, and a microwave expands your cooking options. A large, easy-to-access refrigerator and freezer has a countertop opening and a cabinet door on the front, giving access to items at the bottom of the refrigerator. The large, comfortable V-berth has easy access to the bed on both sides and has multiple hatches and ports, allowing plentiful amounts of light to enter and provide an amazing view from the cabin. The side ports are equipped with sliding shades that can block out all the light. The cabin is easy to move around and has a desk, along with lots of storage including hanging lockers. The V-berth cabin includes a large and very functional private head that features a beautiful stainless steel sink and electric toilet. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped, with beautiful high-end fixtures and a plexiglass shower door. The aft cabin is to starboard and is a bright and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. There is plenty of storage, including a hanging locker closet. Just off the saloon is a second spacious head that also features a beautiful stainless steel sink and electric toilet. The large walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful high-end fixtures and a plexiglass shower door. The boat is equipped with a 5.5 kilowatt generator and a 57 horsepower Yacht diesel. To book your appointment to view this Odyssey 449, contact Little Yacht Sales.